Aqua tip is a rhythm change with cross-country ski. So it starts off by going quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. But when you do it, you've got to rotate your body. Let me show you. Quick, quick, reach. Quick, quick, reach. Quick, quick, reach. So the reason for the rotation is so you can get a full line movement pattern when you're going for the slow. Yep, and I want that really beautiful long line for the slow part. And then you've got that quick, quick again. Quick, quick, body faces forward. The long, your body rotates to the side. Now, what's really important with this exercise is heels are down. So your heels are down on the quick, and when you go long, of course the heel is down at the front, and your heel is lifted at the back. So you can't keep the heel down when you go back, not in this long pattern. But I cue heels down, heels down, heels down, heels down, bump, bump, reach with the heel, reach with the heel, reach back with the arm. 1, 2, reach, 1, 2, reach. Works really well with the song that I use in high and low H2O because of the rhythm of the music. So if you've got music that's got rhythm, this works really, really well. So as far as workout, I'd give it maybe a 7 out of 10. It's not like super high, but it will certainly keep people moving. It's a nice way to vary up the rhythm for cross-country ski. And that's this week's Aqua tip.
Demonstrating the cross-country quick, quick, slow is actually not a very difficult exercise to do. So when you're teaching this on land, there's a few things that you need to remember. So you've got to do the rhythm, of course. You're going quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. So notice that when I go out for the long one, I've stretched my arms all the way out. That's what you're asking your participants to do. And you also need to rotate your head. So if I was to face the class this way, it'd be quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, or quick, quick, reach, quick, quick, reach, or quick, quick, long, quick, quick, long. Now, check out the hands. So palms are up when I'm doing the quick, quick, and then when I went for the strong, long reach, palm turned up as it went forwards, and palm turned up as I went back. There's also that rotation and that head turn, which you also need to cue. So once you demonstrate that, that's when you need to then explain about the footwork with keeping the heels down. So it's heels down, but on land, for you to do that would be quite difficult and very uncomfortable. So demonstrate the movement, talk about the arms, and then just remind them to keep their heels down the bottom of the pool. You don't need to actually demonstrate that. They're not going to be able to see it either anyway, depending on where their position is in the pool. And also, they might not be able to pick up on the nuances depending on their eyesight as well. So, you talk about heels down. So I'd say try and keep your heels to the bottom of the pool. And I'd use my hands like this. So heels down, yep. And then stretch your feet out. So you know that when they stretch their feet out, they're not going to keep their heels down. But the goal is to keep their heels down when they're doing the shorter version. And that way they're going to get a lot more power from their legs. And that's this week's Aqua tip.